Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove pixels on your Shopify store. So on Shopify, pixels are under a category in the settings called customer events. Now I'll show you what I mean by this. For example, here, if I search on the search bar here and I go pixel, if I click on pixel, you can see that it'll redirect me onto the customer events. And you can read here, manage app and custom pixels that access customer events with enhanced privacy and security. So the pixels is under this setting, right? So let's click on customer set events. Now on customer events, you'll see that there's a couple of pixel apps and custom pixels that I have. The first one I created myself called example one, and the type is custom. You can also see if I click on the drop down menu here, you can see that it says like this. And there's also another one I have called Facebook and Instagram. And you can see here, if I click on the three dots, you can see that if I click on the custom one, the example one, I can delete it or remove it directly here. But if I go to the Facebook and Instagram one, it's not there, right? So let's explore how we do this first. So if you want to see what kind of app and custom pixels you have, you can also click on the drop down on the upper panel here. Now let's start with the example one here and how to remove it. If I want to remove it, you can just click on the three dots here and then click on delete. So click on delete. There you go. Now we're gonna go with the app now. Now on the app, it depends on what app you're using. Right now it says status disconnected, right? You can usually it should say connected, but I haven't connected my Facebook app to this one directly, right? So if I go to apps and sales channel and I go to Facebook and Instagram and I click on open sales channels, you'll see that I haven't connected anything yet, right? Now, this is for the sake of the example, because when you have other uh, apps for this custom pixels, you can remove it by disconnecting it, right? But the method varies from app to app. So for this example here, I'm just going to show you how to remove it in one universal way. Now, of course, the one universal way to remove this pixel for Facebook and Instagram or any app for that matter is to just delete the app. And the way we can delete the app is by clicking on the apps and sales channel. And on the apps and sales channels, make sure you pick the app that's connected to your pixel. So on my case, it'll be Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to click on the three dots here and I'm going to click on uninstall. On uninstall, I'm going to click on I understand the risk of uninstalling these sales channels, and you can pick a reason if you like, but I'm just gonna leave it blank and I'm going to click on uninstall. Now you'll see that it'll say you've successfully uninstalled Facebook and Instagram. Now let's check back to customer events and see if it's removed, and there you go. The Facebook and Instagram pixel has been removed.